Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video tutorial is about watermark remover for image and video. So you can remove the watermark online, or you can download the software and install it to your computer. We're going to start our tutorial about watermark remover for image and video. So first step is go to Google and type the website powersoft.com. Just click this. So this is the website of PowerSoft. They are Hong Kong based software company, and in the top you can see the options: product and solution, store, community, and they have also different topics, support, and company information. So we will try to download watermark remover. Okay, just click this download application and it will save to the download folder. So now we will go to online watermark remover. Okay, now we will try watermark remover from image and for video. So first we need to find a picture that has a watermark. So open Google, then image with watermark. Okay, so this picture, we will try to remove the watermark. Sample and save. So back to a PowerSoft, click this to download the picture, this one. Open. So it's still loading. So now we're going to add the box here. We can adjust the box. Just drag it and you can adjust the size. And then after adjusting, just click erase. Okay, it's still processing, and now it's already finished and one complete, and just click here to download the file. Okay, save file and okay. So now we will open the folder and view the picture. So this is the picture without watermark now. Okay, so next we will go to online watermark remover for video. So just click remove watermark from video, and I have here a sample video. Okay, and open. So it's still uploading. Okay, after uploading the video, we're going to adjust the box and adjust it. I mean here on the top, the B cut. Okay, we will adjust it to. Okay, so now after adjusting the box here on the top, just click erase. So it's still processing and we have to wait. So now it's already done processing. Click to download the file and save file. Okay. So it's still downloading and still waiting to complete the download. Okay, we will now open the folder. Okay, this is the video, and I will open the video. So now the B cut here on the top, on the left portion, was already removed, and this video has no watermark now. Thank you for watching.